Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and today we're going to be doing this fun, playful look using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette and the Pure Festival palette for the glitter. I just want to give a quick shout out to for being the first person to comment on my video. If you're the first person to comment on this video, you will get a shout out in my next video, so don't miss out on that. Also, if you want a chance to win my 500 subscriber giveaway, head over to my giveaway video and make sure you're a US citizen. Leave a comment letting me know what palette you'd like to receive and your Instagram handle. And make sure you're subscribed and you're automatically entered to win. That will include a $40 palette of your guys' choice. That is why I want to know what palette you want, because after the giveaway ends on October 1st. So when the giveaway ends, I will put everybody's name who commented on that video on a wheel or in a name picker, and when it picks a name, I will look, see what palette you want, and you will be receiving that palette, the blow dryer, and the curling one that I got in my BoxyLux. And yeah, so don't miss out on that. And let's get into the video. Wow. Excuse me. We're going to start off with the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and we're going to go into Licorice. Yo, I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. Not one bit. We'll see if my vision turns out the way I want it to. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Now I'm going to go into Suck right there. And we're going to go into Raspberry there. I'm going to go back into Licorice, that bright red color. I'll just place that here. Okay. I'm going to cut my crease 2/3 of the way. Okay. I'm going to go into the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to go into Orange Juice right there. We're going to take it on a flat packing brush. We're going to pack it towards the outside. I need to go back in with some Licorice just to ease this edge. No, you know what? I need Raspberry, actually. And place that over top. And then I need to place that down. Oh, it is so pretty. You can't convince me it's not, because it is. Put some more raspberry here in the corner. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of lemon drop right there. Same packing brush and kind of swoop it right over top of orange juice. I'm going to take orange juice again. And pat it. I'm going to take lemon drop again. And pat it. And then we're going to take glitter glue here. I want a little thin brush like this. And I'm going to take it and line my crease just enough. I'm going to bust into this palette and I'm going to go into the gold. It's the Pure Festival palette. I just used some extra craft glitter I have to like amp up that glitter. I kind of want to do a wing, so we'll see how that works. The craft glitter is probably not going to be great to put near my eye, like that close to my eye, but like also I do what I want, so we'll see. Let's get this small glitter on here first. Okay, and put some more glitter, this big chunky glitter that I probably shouldn't be putting near my eye, over top of the small glitter. Alright, that is that side. I'm going to clean this, I'm going to do my other eye, clean up the fallout and whatnot, and do my face makeup off camera, and I will be right back. We're going to go back into the Jawbreaker palette. We're going to go into Licorice. Right there. Okay, and then we're, I'm sorry, we went into Raspberry, but now we're going to go into Licorice. I think I told you the opposite. I think I said we were going into Licorice and then I went into Raspberry, but now we're going into Licorice. We're just kind of fanning it out. And we're I'm going to take Suck. And kind of blend out that red. This palette does have a lot of fallout, so just in case you were wondering. Alright, I'm going to take Raspberry. I'm going to place it on my waterline. Okay. Now I'm going to zoom you out. Put some black liner on the top. Put some mascara on. If I go blind, no, it was for this look. Okay. We're going to let that dry a little bit. And we're going to use a lipstick, but I'm not sure which one I'm going to try. Let's try this orange one real quick. If I don't like it, I'll take it off. I definitely don't like the way it smells, that's for sure. Or feels. It's like super thin. This needs a lot of layering. This is L'Oreal Paris. I don't know. Doesn't really say a whole lot. And Achieve. It's super patchy. And goes on thin as fuck. What is this one? This one is fucking great. It's thick and moussey. Now that took me 20 years to put on. I don't hate it, but I feel like I should add a little bit of red. Or a lot of red. But that's what I'm saying, like this lipstick is from the same company and it's thick and creamy and opaque. And that orange one is just not. That's better. I was going more for like a rusty, reddy, orangey color, but this stuff will erase your life. So apparently there's no mixing. It's just straight red or orange. I'm not mad at the way it turned out though. I am going to go into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of Jawbreaker, place it on the inner corner, like that. Give myself a little highlight. And that is the finished look, guys. Oh, hold on. Layer another layer of mascara. We're attempting to look like we have fake lashes on. I don't know how well it's working, but we're attempting it. Alright guys, that is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. If you'd like to enter my 500 subscriber giveaway, head over to my 500 subscriber giveaway video. Make sure you're a US citizen. Leave a comment letting me know which palette you'd like to receive if you do win, and your Instagram handle, and make sure you're subscribed. That's all you have to do. That's all. That's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.